happy new week. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? How's your week been? If you're new here, my name is Palmira, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being here, for being part of the channel. How you guys doing? How's your week going? I just wanted to check in to get the week started off. It's Tuesday, so I didn't start off yesterday, but yeah, just planning to kind of take you along my current week, see what I get up to. It's gonna be a pretty calm week for the most part, but one thing that is coming up, I am hosting Thanksgiving next week, so I have to start to really think through some of those pieces logistically and starting to set up and prep for that. But chances are I won't really get to that till the weekend, but nonetheless, I'll be sure to show you guys what I get up to. Yeah, so I hope you guys are well. If you like this content, please remember to like and to comment and to subscribe. It really helps me a lot. It helps the channel reach a wider audience, so really would appreciate it. So please make sure you give this video a like and a share. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a bit and see you later.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
That's the promise I'm bringing to you, Regenerative AI. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dozie Precious.
We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home.
Can you imagine this guy? Can you imagine this guy? Huh? Of all days to frustrate me.
So I go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind.
The first stop begin by your left, that way you're coming to. It's opposite stages.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must know me. You make me crazy.
How's it going? So it's Tuesday and finally having dinner. You just saw me make some fried rice. It's like a seafood combination fried rice. I got this frozen seafood pack from the grocery store. I did try the seafood. It's not my go-to for sure. I think that's why I prefer fresh seafood, but it's gonna have to do. So I'm gonna have my fried rice with some seaweed. And then I am also having this Doc Pop prebiotic drink. I like these because they're not too bad with sugar. There's only 5 grams of sugar in it and it's 25 calories, so pretty good option rather than having a soda. And I'm gonna watch something on YouTube. I'm watching this Nigerian film. Just gonna enjoy my dinner. I just wanted to check in since I haven't had a chance to talk to y'all today. I worked most of the day. And then after work, I was so tired because I haven't really been sleeping very early or sleeping well. So I fell asleep right after work and was asleep till pretty late into the evening. So that's why I'm even having a very late dinner, at least late dinner for me, because I think it's, oh my gosh, it's like 10 o'clock. That's so not good. But I need to eat because I've only had one meal today. So I'm gonna have this now, watch some YouTube, stay up for a little bit, and then hopefully try to get some sleep so that this doesn't repeat again tomorrow. Because tomorrow after work, I do need to go to the gym. I also need to go to the store to pick up some groceries for the house, such as like milk and bread and things like that, because we are completely out. I haven't been to the store and I didn't go this past weekend. So that's really all that's on my, excuse me. That's really all that's on my schedule. So I'll keep y'all updated and I hope you guys have had a good day. So I'll talk to y'all in a bit. Well, really, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye. Have a good night. Guys, we got our snow. First snow of the season. It's snowing! Hey guys, so I am out this evening. I'm meeting a coworker in DC. So I kind of got myself to actually put on makeup and come out. So, ooh, the lighting is so bad. I hope you guys can see me. Is this an elevator? Nope, it's not an elevator. So I think I have to take that one on the other side. Anyway, we're just at this place called, I think it's called Beat the Bomb, DC. So we'll see how it goes. I'll try to film a little bit as I can. So, see ya.
I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, pull me to the top.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. So yesterday I went out last night. I went out on a Friday night. If you know me, you know we're making waves. Anyway, I had such a good time. It was so fun. I went to this place with a colleague from work, a place in DC called Beat the Bomb, where you have to like solve these puzzles in these rooms to get time to basically get to the last challenge, which is where you need to like beat the bomb, and if you don't, you get splashed with like paint basically at the end. Obviously we got splashed with paint. Usually you need like 4 people at most to, well, at least they advise that you get 4 people for the tasks. It was just the 2 of us, but we still made good time. I just had so much fun.
겨울이 오길 기다리는 아이처럼 내 맘에 널 그려 포근했던 나의
How's it going? Thank you for watching the vlog so far. If you've watched it this far, I really appreciate you. You are truly an MVP. Please make sure you like, comment. I really want you guys to comment on these videos if you're enjoying it, if there's something that you're finding interesting or something you just want to share with me. I appreciate it if you would just leave me a comment. Leave me a comment. Let me know that you're watching. And then also, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel and you're watching these videos, please subscribe. It does me a world of good and it also encourages me, so I would really appreciate it. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of just catch up on a few things before I close out the vlog for this week. One being that, man, it's amazing. I've been consistently uploading vlogs now for about 3 or 4 months, and I think the last time I checked, we were just about 60 subscribers or 61 subscribers. And to me, that is phenomenal. That's actually amazing. So thank you, all 60, 61 of you who are subscribed. I don't take it for granted. I don't take it for granted that you're watching these videos. You could be watching so many other things, doing so many other things, and you take time to watch my things when I upload and you interact. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. But anyway, I'll stop boring you with the whole sharing and liking and commenting. It's the holiday season, man. The holidays are almost here, and I'm excited for the holiday season for sure. And in my excitement, I was reminded of the fact that there were years when, with not having family around, not having really much of anyone around, it reminded me how hard the holiday seasons can also be for people. So, excuse me, especially people who are of immigrant families, who are immigrants and don't have their entire family here. So I just want to encourage you, if you have your family around, or even if you are the one person who's around, but you are somebody who is open and willing to socialize and open up your home and your space to people that you know that are in your life. If you have a friend who maybe lives by themselves, or a friend who has family that lives overseas and may not be able to go visit them this holiday season, please extend them an invite. Do a Friendsgiving, do a Thanksgiving, do a Christmas thing, do a friend thing, a family thing, whatever it might look like. Invite them over, share your space, share your time. The holidays can be really difficult for a lot of people, especially when they don't have their entire family around. Or just be there, support a friend, support your coworker, whoever it might be, in whatever way that seems appropriate. I just wanted to just share that and just say, just look out for a need this holiday season. And when you see that need, meet it, or try to meet it in the best way you can. That is, for me, really truly what the holiday season is about, what Christmas is about, is that we live out our lives representative of who Christ is. So, yeah, and I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna do my best to make sure I am that person who's giving, who's considerate, who is meeting a need as I am able to during this season. So yeah, what was the other thing? Oh, I also wanted to talk about like vlogging and vlogging cameras. So I've been using my iPhone this entire time, which I think is pretty good. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. My iPhone is an iPhone 12, so the camera quality, you know, it's not really all the most amazing. I do film in 4K, which should also tell you that, you know, I feel like the quality wise should be much better than it is, and it really isn't there. So right now I am toying with the idea of whether or not I want to invest in a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or one of the older Sony ZV models, especially with the Black Friday sales coming on. I'm sure a lot of these things are going to be marked down, and I'm trying to see if there's something like that I might be able to invest in, because I really want to do this full-time. Well, not full-time. Ooh, let me pause, rewind. I'm not there yet. I'm very fine with being in a corporate space and doing this on the side. What I meant was, I really want to continue to do this regularly, but also do it in a way that is of high quality, that I'm happy with, that I'm excited about. So yeah, I'm looking into it. We'll see. It's a matter of affordability. I'm not gonna, you know, go overextend myself in any way, not at this time anyway, but I'll see what the sales are looking like. So who knows, maybe in the next couple of vlogs you might see the quality change drastically and I'll be like, yeah, your girl got a new camera. But nonetheless, yeah, that's really all. This week has been good. Very much a calm week, like I mentioned, apart from the going out Friday night and then spending some time today with my mom. It's been a very chill week. I'm hoping that as we go into the holiday season, I'll be able to spend more time with my friends. I haven't really seen them one-on-one and doing some activities or events in a little while. I think everybody's just been busy. I definitely want to spend time with my friends. Everybody's navigating life and responsibilities, so we haven't been able to see each other as much as I think we all would love to. But I'm definitely going to make it a priority over the next couple of weeks as we go into the holiday season and into the new year to just spend some one-on-one time, some quality time with my friends. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. But anyway, thank you. I'm not going to keep going too far over this. I feel like this is already at like 5 minutes, so that's too long. But thank you so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. If you've enjoyed the vlog, let me know. And if there's more things like this you want to see, or if there's something in particular you would like me to film and talk more about, let me know. And I'll try my best to meet you there. I will probably doing a Q&A, an updated Q&A, get to know me video towards the end of the year. So please make sure you're checking the community tab or checking my Instagram for the question box, because I really want to answer your questions, not just do a tag. So keep your eye out for those. Those will be coming up, and I'll film that updated Q&A towards the end of the year and just share some of like my goals, aspirations for the new year. And yeah, super excited. Thank you. I hope this has been a beautiful week for you. Have a blessed and an amazing new week, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.